I'm born in Sumatra, but my parents from Java and Java. My mom also from Java, but I love Sumatra because it's nature thing. I love the nature. Also, we have some ocean, but we get a little bit more far from the nature. I feel free. Yeah, I feel not scaring anything. Yeah, there is nature. I have my home. That I love nature. Yeah, because and the zoo maybe then people going to the zoo we see many wildlife there, but in the nature you can see really home of the wildlife, and then that's really paradise. You can see like what so nice the wildlife to be free from the human or from the zoo. You get really home. Because the nature is my home, and then I know like what wildlife. He never hurt us because we love them, and then don't be scared anything. He not hurt you. He not feeling also same like we are. Yeah, I mean about the orangutan, we have to save them because that is a nice thing to save the wildlife, every wildlife also. Because a long time ago we have the population of the orangutan really gone because people shoot them, kill them, and after that open the station the orangutan and here. In 1973, the population of the orangutan better and better. So why? Why we have to keep them and then kill the mother of another wildlife? So leave them free. That we can see it more and more, much more nice. And then yeah, like the palm oil also. Palm oil is soak more water and then it kill of the nature. Also kill of us because we get much more the weather changing. The weather come fresh. When we plant the palm oil, we come hot. That kind of nature also get much more. We get erosion because we less of the water. And then yeah, it's possible we can stop them. Even we work together to stop the palm oil, plant up the nature back to become humid. But it's not easy because even we plant already palm oil inside the ground, it's not come to be dry, wet, but come drying. We have to wait like more, I think, 50 years of 100 years, and not 100% the land, the ground to be humid because it's from palm oil. Motorists, I mean, coming here, yeah, it's nice to help us here for keep of the rainforest. Because if no tourists coming here, no income for us around of the village, close to the nature. And then people will be killing of the nature. And the wildlife forget the income. But like we starting before, yeah, I tell you, from 1973, we shape the nature, everything, we have some income. Not big income, but that is good to help us here to care of the wildlife, also the nature. Yeah, first time when I'm kid, yeah, I coming here, and then that is really nice thing. And then yeah, it's nature all around, and then also the ground is humid, everything. And then also I going to see the orangutan. Wow, I really missing. I really love it because them really free. I look them free, hanging on the tree, get the fruit, moving, making nest. Wow, imagine we cannot see that like that really well even we only going to the zoo, but going to the home you can see much more thing.